Are you curious about Ubuntu and ElementaryOS? Both are popular Linux distributions, but they have unique features that set them apart. In this video, we'll compare Ubuntu and ElementaryOS to help you decide which one is right for you. Both Ubuntu and ElementaryOS are built on the Linux kernel. They offer a free and open source operating system. You can use them for everyday tasks like browsing the web, watching videos, and working on documents. Let's start with Ubuntu. It is one of the most widely used Linux distributions. Ubuntu is known for its user friendly interface and strong community support. It comes with a lot of software pre installed, making it easy for beginners. Plus, it has a large repository of additional applications. Now, let's look at Elementary OS. This distribution is designed to be sleek and beautiful. It focuses on a clean and simple user experience. Elementary OS uses its own desktop environment called Pantheon, which is visually appealing and easy to navigate. It also emphasizes privacy and security. Now, what are the main differences? Ubuntu has a more traditional desktop layout, while Elementary OS offers a more modern Mac like interface. Ubuntu supports a wider range of software, but Elementary OS is more focused on design and user experience. When it comes to features, Ubuntu includes software like LibreOffice and the Snap Store for easy app installation. Elementary OS, on the other hand, comes with its own set of applications designed for simplicity and elegance. In terms of pricing, both are free to download and use. However, Elementary OS encourages donations to support its development. So, which one should you choose? If you want a robust system with lots of software options, go for Ubuntu. If you prefer a beautiful interface and a minimalistic approach, then Elementary OS is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech videos.